Amazing! With this it slims 980 grams every day. But you cannot abuse. I know you are interested in losing weight, but before you start following these healthy tips, you must be consistent and not faint on the first try. Many people are looking to lose those extra pounds, but they get bored fast by not getting immediate results, forgetting with this that our body needs to go purifying and detoxifying waste before achieving the ideal weight. To begin, we will say that turmeric is a root that is used as a seasoning, and also helps to lose weight, has a great antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antiseptic power. It is widely used in Indian cuisine. Lemon and turmeric for weight loss. 1 serving a day of turmeric, it gives you many healthy properties and a good potential to lose weight. Turmeric should not be lacking in the daily diet as it cleanses you of toxins and protects you from diseases. For its part, the lemon removes the fat from the blood of our body. It is a natural diuretic, it strengthens our immune system. It is rich in fiber and acts strongly to combat cravings and reduces that feeling of hunger in the day, gives us an efficient digestion, stimulating the liver. So if we mix lemon and turmeric, we will get many more benefits. And we will get a powerful anti-inflammatory drink to accelerate digestion and lose weight. Lemon water with turmeric is a potent drink that should not be missing every day, and for you to have more benefits you have to add a little cinnamon because of its anti-inflammatory properties and the regulation of blood sugar levels, so you will have less craving and you will feel more satisfied. In a cup of hot water, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 lemon juice, a flicker of cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon pure honey. Stir these ingredients very well as the turmeric goes to the bottom, so it should be kept always stirred. Always drink it hot. This infusion will also serve to detoxify our entire body, making it feel better.